Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this soft glam look, so stay tuned. Please hit the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take my spoolie and start brushing the hairs of my eyebrows just like this. I'm gonna fill in just at the ends of my eyebrows over here with this brown eye pencil. I don't need to fill the rest of my eyebrows, just like this, just towards the end. And I'm using stroking motions. Just where I feel that I need to fill in. Then I'll use my concealer. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. So this is one shade lighter than my complexion, my color, so I'll just use it under the eyebrows to just outline my eyebrows. And I'm using this little angled brush to do that. Then on my upper part of my eyebrows, I'll use the Nars concealer, which is almost my shade or my complexion shade. Use a brush like this one and just kind of blend it out. Then because I'm going for a soft glam look, I'm gonna use the shade of my concealer like near my complexion color and just prep my eyes like this so that before I start putting in the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna use the same brush to just make sure the concealer is where I want it to be. I'm using the Makeup Forever pressed powder before I start using the eyeshadow. So because today I'm going for a soft glam look, I'm gonna just select my eyeshadow color, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna select the color that I want to use for this. I'll use the G Honey, this one, the G Honey. And I'm just gonna use one color for today's look. So I'm gonna just pack it in first before I start to blend it in. So I'm packing it in my crease and around my brow bone. Then I'm gonna use the swirling motions to just outline the try to blend the outline of the eyeshadow just like this. I'm using circular motions. Just swirl it around like this. I'm gonna put just a little eyeliner, but I'm not gonna do the winged liner. So I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion fine point eye pen, this one. So next I'll use the mascara. And I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion. And I'm gonna lightly apply the mascara just like that before I apply my lashes. After applying my lashes off camera, I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. So I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil, which is waterproof. So this one is not black, it's kind of dark brown. I'll finish the rest of my eyes after I'm done with my face. So I'm gonna use the Neutrogena primer. It has an SPF of 15. So I'll just put a little bit on my face like that. I'm going to use the Naked Foundation by Urban Decay in the shade 70WY. And I'll use this RC200 brush to just apply it in first. So I'm gonna start on the right side of my face like this, then I go to my left side, then I'll do my forehead. So I like using the brush first to apply the foundation. Before going in with the beauty blender. So that way I can get full coverage. It looks kinda not my shade, but I think it's gonna oxidize after this. And after I use the beauty blender, it's gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. This is a damp beauty blender. And I'm just gonna blend it some more. Because when you do this, you don't, after you use a brush, then you use the beauty blender, you don't take away a lot of your product into the beauty blender, as opposed to starting with the beauty blender first. Well, I'm gonna blend it in. So this Urban Decay foundation is not so matte and it's not so dewy, it's like in the middle. So after that, I'm gonna use the concealer. This is the Urban Decay concealer. It's one shade lighter than my skin tone. So I'm gonna highlight the points that I want to highlight. So I'll go in with a little beauty blender like this and just try to blend it into my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay translucent powder. And I'm gonna set the areas where I just put the concealer. And while my face sets, I'm gonna contour, and I'm using the It Cosmetics contour. So I'm not gonna set my face for too long. I'll just go ahead and sweep up the powder. After that, I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm gonna use the Lancome Duo Finish highlighter. Just kind of do like a C shape from my face up here to my cheeks, to the top of my cheeks, not so much. So next I will finish off my eyes. So with the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, just like that. I'll do my lips. So I'm gonna just rub off the lip balm that I have on my lips, and I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Liquid Matte number 103. First, I'll use the KK Beauty lip liner. This is the nude number 3. This is the Estee Lauder liquid lipstick. So to finish off, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So this will set my face all night. So if you're going out, it can just set your makeup to look nice the whole day or the whole night. And this is the finished look. I hope you like this soft glam look that I achieved today. And this is my finished look. Hope you like it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and God bless you.